What's up, guys? And it's Tristan again. And look what I got. Paper fidget spinner. In the next episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper fidget spinner like this. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, if you so I basically just made a ninja star. Put like a tack in it, cut the corners off. That's how I made this. Even though it hurts on the bottom because it has a needle on it.
Congratulations.
So if this looks cool, just comment below and watch the next episode. So yeah, bye.